Waves rolling, another day to dive right in. Grab your colors, grab your crew, let's make something cool and new.
Hi, I'm Lyndon and welcome to Bright Spark Collective. I'm here with
Pia.
and today we are making a paddle and a boat. All you need for this craft is 3 popsicle sticks, paper, scissors, make sure that you get parent supervision and ask first, and glue. Any type of glue works. Let's jump in. Priya, what type of popsicle stick do you want for the bottom? Blue?
Yeah.
Nice choice. What color paper do you want? Pink? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me outline it so that it's the same size. Big salad.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it out. Priya, what are you doing? Stay still, paper. Priya, be careful. Priya, stop. There you go. Now, Priya, can you please put glue on this one? There you go. While she's doing that, I'm gonna grab the yellow popsicle stick and cut the ends off. Sometimes they're gonna run away. Which they're very silly if they run away.
I get it.
Yay. Okay. Now to cut the bottom of this one. Just a hint. Priya, are you getting glue on your hands? It's okay, we can wash our hands afterwards. There you go. Now I'm gonna cut the tops off. Up with each other. Oh, there. Oh, Priya. There you go. Thank you. Did you glue all of it? Nice.
Yeah.
Nice, thanks. Sticky.
Yeah.
Nice. But hold on, Priya. So I've got these, but I'm gonna get another little piece of paper and I'm gonna cut it. Just a tiny piece so that I can hold both, so that I can glue these 2 things of the ends of it together. Good job, Priya. No, Priya. Don't do that. You need the glue, please. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna glue this on. Oh, could you put a little bit of glue on here? Thanks. Thanks, sweets. Can I have the green popsicle stick, please? And I need the glue. There we go. Now your paddle. I am going to write on it. I choose my direction. I choose Never mind. It's not gonna work. But, Priya, I need a little bit more glue.
Okay, I do it.
Never mind. And then you can draw a line down the middle of your sail. Priya, no thank you. No thank you. Don't put it on the table. You can put it on the paper. There you go. Now you made your own boat and sail. Sorry, boat and oar. Thanks for creating this with me. Bye.